In this episode, we explore the stunning landscape of the Underberg, camp at the peaceful Khotso Lodge, and hike through some of South Africa's most beautiful trails. Welcome to CampCrawler. We just made it to Khotso Lodge and Horse Trails. It is nestled in the foothills of the Drakensberg. It is a perfect base for hiking, relaxing, and reconnecting with Mother Nature.
This is a Khotso campsite. Let us give you a quick overview of the place. And then this is the reception area. We go this way. There's a nice setup here to chill.
No, come and chill. I'll make you a fire.
People put their stickers here. We're also gonna put ours soon. And we liked this one. We want to buy this from here.
Yeah, that's a
This one, it's nice. There's a nice coffee setup here and tea, and there's hot chocolate also. The honesty bar.
So how does it work?
When you come, you register on your form. Whatever you take, you put it in here on your tab, and then you will pay on your checkout.
Okay, so nice looking fire there.
To keep you warm if you want to stay here and chill and have your things from the honesty bar.
Okay, where to next?
Okay, now we're heading to the campsites. This is a very beautiful place. Look at it. You're entering the campsite area now. These are the bathrooms. Knees and hands. This is the kitchen. It's like an open plan setup. You can cook in here. There's a stove, there's cutlery, there's everything basically that you would need, and also a fridge. You have a sink, a dustbin. Everything is here. You don't need to overload your car with things. The second bathrooms. If you can look right over that fire, and there at least there's many of them. This is electrical point. We're connected here. So there's electricity here if you come. We took it over our place. This is home. So this is our setup.
As the rooftop unfolded and the last bit of gear was unpacked, the camp slowly came to shape. There's something deeply grounding about these simple routines. Starting up the fire, prepping a good meal, and just soaking in the stillness of the fresh open air.
No, I fall a lot young. Do you fall? This is really scary. Hello, guys.
Person should go at a time.
Yes.
Let
What
Dolly
is
come
it
up.
dancing?
It's dancing. It's wiggly.
The next day, we took an easy hike up a nearby hill to soak up all the views and natural beauty.
And the moment you touch this,
Hello, Rato. End of the day, having drinks under the trees. Lay some wisdom on us. For someone who's new to camping, what can you advise them on? What should they bring with them? What types of tent do you prefer? Just basic tips, cooking setup, what do you cook with, all those things.
I consider myself a basic one because I use basic things, but they are enough to carry us through. Just have your stove. If you can have something to cook with. With regards to tents, I prefer the rooftop tent over the ground tent.
What's your cooking advice? What do you cook when you are out camping?
We mostly do braai. We find it simpler.
So Lerato, as a someone who's new to camping, what can you advise someone who's starting out with camping? How should they start camping?
I would say get yourself a shelter where you're going to sleep. Although I prefer a rooftop tent, but you can sleep even on a ground tent. Get yourself somewhere to cook. Bring your favorite food, man. Doesn't have to be a fancy things that are difficult that you've never eaten before. The most important thing is to enjoy the outdoor. So enjoying means bringing things that you enjoy with you.
Khotso Camp gave us exactly what we came for: peace, beauty, and a few stories to carry home. Until the next train, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to CampCrawler for more adventures.